it's Jess from Sallie Tomato, and today is day 6 of unboxing our Advent box. So today's gift is wrapped in this holiday tissue paper. It says, day 6, nearly there. Are you ready for the project reveal tomorrow? So hang on to this fabric until then. So let's open this up and see what fabric we got inside. These gifts are just so thoughtfully wrapped. Ooh, and it is our Beige Pebble Faux Leather. So this is one of my favorite colors. It goes with a lot. Our faux leather is very easy to sew through. It's durable, it's lightweight, and it has this really pretty pebble finish. So we have a pebble texture and then also a legacy texture. So this is a really fun one, and I can't wait to show you how it looks on the project.